Hey Shaylam, Brandon Crawley here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for interested in this good-looking 2009 Hyundai Sonata. As you see, I've got the exact vehicle sitting right here, but I know you saw that low special internet price. This car is not going to be here for long at that price, so call me right now. Let me know what time you want to take it home. 205-380-6250, or beat the holiday crowds. Come out and see me today, right here, 1595 Montgomery Highway, right here in Hoover, Alabama, right across from the Wells Fargo Bank. Shayla, again, I'm Brandon Crawley. I'm here at Tameron Hyundai, and you are going to love the way you're treated. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.